Hello everyone, welcome to Gayatri Reddy Traditional Designer Studio. This is your Lakshmi Reddy. So, how are you all? Hope you all are doing absolutely great and taking a best safety precautions for this COVID. So, stay indoors and don't step outdoors. And yes, take care. So, in today's episode, I'm going to show you our all-time favorite Kanchi cotton sarees. So, these are the pure handloom sarees with a kanchi borders in the plain style and in the zari borders and thread borders and much more. So hope you will like this collection. If you like, order through our website www.gayatrisarees.com. Now let's look at to the collection. Wash care for these sarees are go with a dry wash for the first time and later you can happily do home wash. So coming to the first one for today, the saree, the similar one which I am wearing with a beautiful traditional combinational saree with a wonderful border and saree detail. The saree color goes in beautiful mustard yellow shade in a traditional maroon color borders on either side of the saree. This is a complete saree. In the bottom portion goes in plain saree with a traditional borders. So the border remains 8 inches border with a beautiful mango design in it. This is a pallu, a simple lines pallu, and the price of this saree is 1350 rupees. One more beautiful color in front of you with traditional temple design borders on either side. So coming to the color of the saree, this is in the nice leaf green color and complete saree goes in a beautiful geometric line pattern like this. So the borders are 3 inches width and this is a complete saree. So complete saree is teamed up with a beautiful mustard yellow color combinational weaving. Pallu. The blouse for these sarees are you can happily go with a contrast blouses in ikat style and much more. So few sarees may contain blouse and few may not contain and don't disappoint, you can wear contrast combinations. The cost of the saree is 1690 rupees. One more lovely color combination. So this is a dual shaded saree with a beautiful purple and peacock blue combination. So the borders, they have given a 4 to 5 inches borders on either side of the saree, which is plain borders, and complete saree goes like this. So these sarees are very comfortable and very traditional wear sarees. Can go for any temple purpose or any casual wears. This is a complete saree in plain. So for this type of sarees, you can go with any contrast blouses. It will really look good. This is a simple and elegant pallu and the price of this saree is 990 rupees. One more pleasant color combination in front of you. This is a beautiful lime green with a beautiful onion pink color combination. So as the previous pattern, the borders they have given in the plain style with horizontal lines and complete saree goes in the plain. So a plain saree, such a pleasant color combinations. So as the cottons are very comfortable in summer season, you can happily prefer them. Pallu, this is a pallu. And the price of this saree is 990 rupees. One more very unique color combinations. So this is a beautiful chico color with a contrast pink combination. So borders they have given in the plain style with horizontal lines running along the border. So complete saree goes in a plain. This is a saree. Such a lovely color combinations. So blouses you can match with any of the contrast colors. Pallu. And this lovely saree cost 990 rupees. Our all-time favorite color combination. Such a beautiful colors in front of you. A black with lovely Rani pink color combination. So coming to the borders, they have given two-sided border with a temple design in thread work. So coming to the borders, they have given a two-sided border with a thread borders on either side in temple design. So complete saree goes in plain. This is a complete saree, and the bottom portion of the border given in the mango style. So mango buttas, lovely saree. Pallu. And price of this saree is 1425 rupees. One more lovely color combination with a rich looking borders on either side. So coming to the saree color, this is in the nice navy blue, teamed up with a beautiful big borders in 8 to 10 inches on either side of the saree. So a complete saree goes in plain style, a plain saree, and bottom portion of the border goes in the magenta pink and peacock green in the lovely temple design style. So pallu, simple pallu with a nice border again, and the price of this saree is 1350 rupees. One more pleasant color combination in beautiful onion pink color. So borders, they have given a simple plain borders on either side of the saree with a simple golden zari running along to the borders. So complete saree goes in the plain. This is saree. So the fabric is really good. These are pure handloom sarees. You can happily prefer for summer wear and any regular or casual wear too. This is a pallu. The price of this saree is 890 rupees. One more beautiful color combination. So this is a nice lemon green with a contrast combinational borders in the temple design style. So the borders, they have teamed up with 10 inches borders on either side in the temple design with a thread borders. So complete saree goes like this, plain style. This is the saree. So they have completely highlighted the borders. So very rich looking sarees. So the border again, they have given a mango design too. So yes, let's come to the pallu. This is a pallu. The price of this saree is 1425 rupees. Last saree for this episode. So this is a beautiful reddish maroon combination with a thread borders on either side of the saree. So the borders is in the Ganga Jamuna style with a beautiful mango design. So coming to the saree, this is a nice plain saree with a lovely borders in mustard and bottle green combination. This is a saree. So simple and very unique sarees and with a great color combinations. These are the pure handloom sarees, can go for summer wear. Pallu in mustard color lines. And the price of this saree is 1350 rupees. Hope you all like the collection. These are the perfect traditional sarees in the Kanchi border styles. If you love the sarees, do like our video, share with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and kindly follow us on Instagram and Facebook pages too. So yes, thank you and have a nice day.